Question number 15. Creating a surfaces. First one is a extrude. Extrude means create a surface by extruding a profile along a given directions. Revolve. You can see here there is a the definition box is there in specification tree. Sketch one and extrude. This plane is a extruded. And revolve. Revolve means create a surface by revolving a planar profile about an axis. You can see here in specification tree revolve is there. Sketch line 1 and revolve at a 180 degree. And this is the offset. Create a surface or a set of surfaces by offsetting an existing surfaces or a set of previous surfaces are there. Sweep, fill, and multi-sections, blend, and joins. Streams are there, and boundary, extract, and all patterns we are seen in the previous chapters sessions. Today we are just seeing as extrude, revolve, sphere, cylinder, offset in Catia. Let's continue the sketch. Select the sketch and the plane, XY plane, and draw one profile. Now you can just draw one profile here, correct, and exit, escape, and exit. Now you can just select extrude and pan. You can see here is a extruded, that is called as a extrude. Click on OK. Now we will see next one is a revolve. Select sketch, XY plane, and select spline, and draw one spline. Skip and exit the sketch and select revolve. Selected, and revolution axis you just somewhat pan. Here you can select here, and this one is a preview and OK and pan. This is a revolve. Next command is a sphere. Select sphere and center. At the center right click and create point. You can see here origin. At origin point is generated. X value is 0, Y value is 0, Z value is 0, and click on OK. You can see here half sphere is selected. You can see here half sphere is there, and here is a full sphere, whole sphere is there. Select whole sphere. You can see. And what is the radius? Radius is 82. Preview and OK. Now next command is a cylinder. In the point, just right click, create a point. X value is 0, Y value is 0, Z value is 0, and OK, and select the direction as the I'm selecting this one, and preview and OK. You can see here this cylinder is a generator. Now we will see next command as a offset. This one is a offset. Just create, select surface, this one, and offset by 20, and preview and OK. You can see this is original, and this one is created by offset. Today's session is completed. Thank you.